Hey there, I have a question for you. Do you want to learn Mandarin Chinese with more structure and support? Do you want your questions to be answered by professionals whenever you have questions about Mandarin Chinese? My Smart Mandarin Academy program does just that. I have hundreds of video lessons with audio reviews and PDF worksheets for students who can study at their own pace and get questions answered within 48 business hours. The courses and lessons inside Smart Mandarin Academy ranging from pronunciation training, tone training, vocabulary training, Chinese grammar, Chinese character reading, and Chinese daily conversations. You can study as much as you want 24/7 at your own pace within your 3-month subscription. If you don't want to purchase the whole program, you just want to study for a period of time, then a 3-month subscription plan is the right choice for you. You can get full access to the program within your 3-month subscription, and also you can cancel the subscription at any time. If that sounds like your jam, make sure to click the link in bio and check out my Smart Mandarin Academy program or the link right here to check out for more. If you have questions about my Smart Mandarin Academy program, you can also email me at support@smartmandarin.co, support@smartmandarin.co. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you inside the program.
The different character, which means different meanings. So, 每 here is each or every. 每. The way you use 每, here it is. 每 measure word and the noun. And this is how you use 每. The exceptions are day and year, remember. For example, you could say every day like 每